conditioner. This room have air conditioner here. And this is my stop here. So thank God there is an air conditioner. And have a fan. The room is 8x8. Excuse me. Let's go outside the room. Very small. Thank you, Tico Apple TV. Tico Apple TV. My sister's out here. Let's see. I'm gonna close. Let's go out to the living room. All right, back. I'll be right back, guys. Let's see this. I'll be right back, everyone. Be right back. Thank you, Tito Apple TV. Ni ako sa ning pagon ang music. Baka makapit tayo, guys. I am waiting for the... I'm back, everyone. Let's eat some these snacks. Let's have some snacks. Let's have some snacks, guys. Have some snacks here. My favorite snacks. Let's eat some snacks at 4 p.m. It's called lansunis. Or, yeah, lansunis. It's a Filipino fruits snacks. Let's see. Tito Apple TV. Tayo lang sandal di sa idol. Thank you for watching. This is our favorite snacks. It's juicy. Juicy. It's so good. It's so good. Took a nap. Now I'm eating a snacks. Maunta, guys. Maunta ninyo. Maunta ninyo, everyone. Shout out sa lahat.